ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Sir, between all this dissidents, is it a compromising meeting or you are making them?
No dissident. Who said dissident?
BJP.
There is no dissident in the Congress party. We have to take care, we have to share, we have to just have workout strategy. That is why we are just speaking. There is no question of any dissident. Where is the dissident?
So all are staying intact, sir.
Everything is intact, there is no problem. Just everyone, they are all eligible leaders. They are senior loyal leaders. That is what we wanted to convey in this circumstance. That's
Mr.
all.
Vijayendra says, sir, a Congress
I
is a
don't
broken house with the 10 doors.
I don't want to answer anything to Vijayendra. Let him first repair himself. Let him keep his house in order. His MSc election has showed him the door, no?
ಕೋಪ ಶಮನ ಆಗಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಯಾವ ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೋಪ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಕೋಪ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಸರ್
Congress is a broken house with the 10 doors.
Why is a broken, fratricidal, war-torn BJP so worried? Why don't they set their own house in order? This is our family. We are part of this family. Krishnappa ji, our young friend Priya Krishna ji, we are all part of one family. In the family, there will be genuine concerns. In the family, there will be genuine complaint also sometimes. And in the family, there will be genuine differences also many times. It is our duty to speak to our family. Why is the BJP becoming irritated with it? They should set their own house in order instead of giving advice. I think there are many fronts that they need to close. So all that we are saying that Krishnappa ji is a very seasoned, one of the senior most leaders of the Congress party. Yes, he could not be inducted into the cabinet. It is our right to come to a senior member of the family, and it is also our right to be here as a member of the family. We have spoken of various issues that were in the mind of Congress workers, both of the Vijayanagar as also the other constituency, Govindraj Nagar, and we have heard their problems, their grievances, the genuine and profound concerns.
Sir, it is the second time that Mr. Krishnappa ji, he worked for the party without any hesitations. Every time, now the Priya Krishna is also a senior in the party now. So you have local body elections, GB elections and many other things. Will it not be an easy task for the BJP if such people not considered?
See, Krishnappa ji is not only a 5-time legislator, he was MLC also of the party before that. And Priya Krishna is one of our most promising upcoming leaders. And both of them have a genuine and a profound concern, which we deliberated in an open and a frank fashion. Krishnappa ji has, besides me, my position as a General Secretary, he has also been a guide. And I value his opinion and concern. So whatever we had to speak as family, we have spoken.
What is other
I am 100% certain.
Other dissidents, will you speak to them? Will you try to compromise them?
Every
Because
single-
Krishna Patil has already come back.
He didn't go anywhere. With due regards, Yashwant Bhai was always a part of the Congress family. He expressed his genuine disappointment. What is wrong with it? He has a right to express his disappointment. We met him, we spoke to him, Chief Minister spoke to him, PCC President spoke to him, former Chief Minister spoke to him, all of us spoke to him, and I'm extremely happy that I believe that without him, Congress party in Bijapur district and surrounding districts would not be strong. With the addressing of some of the concern, he has shown a large heart, and I'm extremely happy and indebted.
What is your message to the BJP, sir? Because time and again, including Vijayendra and Ashok, are making
BJP
so many
is a
statements.
party with a closed mind and an anti-Karnataka mindset. They can't get any message. However, I will only tell all our friends and colleagues that we stand with every single worker, much less our leader. Every leader, every worker. And where